why your Duolingo might be looking sick. Not just sick, it's looking severely sick and very sad. So before we do that, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Alright, so this is actually a clever marketing strategy from the Duolingo's marketing team because it has nothing to do with your lessons. So if you feel like you've been slacking on your Duolingo lessons and not completing them, and that's why you think that your app icon looks like this, that is not the case, because even if you complete your lesson and maintain your streak, it's still going to look like this for everyone. So this is a clever marketing strategy, as I said, because this will make people curious and make them want to open the app to see what's going on. And after they open the app, they have other redirections for them to complete the lessons. So it's just a clever marketing strategy from the team. And that's why your Duolingo icon might look weird. I hope this video was informative. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.